Ready to transform the way you think about plant-based protein? Introducing ZymeBase's Instantized Brown Rice Protein, where cutting-edge science meets incredible nutrition. This isn't just any other plant protein. Our Instantized Brown Rice Protein is non-GMO, allergen-free, and odorless. But that's just the beginning. It tackles the toughest problems of typical plant proteins: poor solubility, low protein content, and gritty textures, making ZymeBase's Instantized Brown Rice Protein the top choice for health-conscious individuals, vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to elevate their nutrition. So, what makes ZymeBase's Instantized Brown Rice Protein so extraordinary? 1. Solubility improvement greater than or equal to 60%. No more clumping, no more struggles. ZymeBase's Instantized Brown Rice Protein dissolves instantly with over 60% better solubility. It's smooth, light, and perfectly blended every time. 2. Non-gritty texture. Say goodbye to gritty, chalky protein drinks. ZymeBase's Instantized Brown Rice Protein ultra-fine particles create a silky-smooth mouthfeel that you'll actually enjoy. 3. Great taste, naturally. Plant proteins can be bitter and tough to swallow, but not ZymeBase's Instantized Brown Rice Protein. We've reduced the unpleasant flavors, cutting bitterness and alkaline notes, leaving you with a clean, great-tasting experience. 4. Minimized viscosity. Perfect for high-protein beverages processed with UHT and pasteurization. ZymeBase's Instantized Brown Rice Protein keeps your drinks light, fluid, and never too thick. 5. Remarkable stability. Tired of protein shakes separating? ZymeBase's Instantized Brown Rice Protein stays stable and perfectly blended every time from the first sip to the last. ZymeBase's Instantized Brown Rice Protein isn't just versatile, it's a game changer. Whether you're crafting a high-protein beverage, a meal replacement, or a powdered drink mix, we deliver unmatched performance. Now let's look at the applications for Instantized Brown Rice Protein. 1. Powdered drink mixes. Effortlessly blends into acidic formulations, gentle on the stomach, easily digestible, and loaded with muscle-building BCAAs. 2. High-protein beverages. Our Instantized Brown Rice Protein is heat-stable, with a low viscosity that's perfect for smooth, silky drinks. It's also an excellent emulsifier, offering a plant-based alternative to sodium caseinate. 3. Meal replacements. Looking for a complete nutritious solution? Our Instantized Brown Rice Protein boasts low calories, is cholesterol-free, allergen-free, and dissolves with ease, making it the perfect foundation for any meal replacement. Ready to experience the future of plant-based protein? ZymeBase's Instantized Brown Rice Protein is here to redefine your expectations, delivering quality, flavor, and nutrition like never before. Want to try it for yourself? Request your free samples today at inquiry@zymebase.com. And to discover more about our premium plant-based ingredients, visit us at www.zymebase.com. Don't just settle for plant protein. Elevate it with ZymeBase.